Here I have HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this icon here in the corner, tap next, agree, allow, yes, get started. Then you have this code scanner by default. So let's scan, for example, this QR code. And as you can see, as soon as my camera spotted it, it instantly opened the page, which has been encoded into this QR code in my default browser. And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.